Cassper Nyovest on being mocked for being a role model. Cassper Nyovest believes that trying to set a good example for young people has often backfired on him. The rapper took to Twitter on Thursday evening to share his thoughts with followers. "I have always set out to be a positive role model. Had a gun to my face. I went to the police station and nothing happened. I was mocked for going to the police. Then I was slapped and I walked away. Was mocked again. Even this tweet will be trolled. I know I am teaching good do." It's unclear what sparked Cassper's statements, but being an inspiration to the young African child has always been at the top of his priority list. It's also no secret that Cassper has been accused of being fake humble, which has often seen him at the center of social media storms. A few weeks ago, the rapper said he believes people call him to order because he's a nice guy. "I love how the game is always ready to call me to order whenever I do or say anything, but they will never ever even think of doing it when it's somebody else. The perks of being a nice guy," Cassper tweeted.
Yeah.